Today I'm out in Gold Canyon, Arizona, and we're at the community of Entrada del Oro. We're going to be looking at the Larimar floor plan. This is going to be for a family looking for an 18 to 1900 square foot home, looking for 4 bedrooms and 2 to 3 bathrooms, depending on what your preference is. Let's go ahead, go inside, take a look, and see what Larimar floor plan has to offer. Okay, as we finish up here at the Larimar floor plan, remember I talked about it being a 4-bedroom, 2-bath or a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. There is an option for this floor plan where you either have a 2-car garage with some extra storage room in it, or you have a 2-car garage, a normal size 2-car garage, and then you have an extra bathroom for that 4th bedroom. There's also an option there where bedroom 3 can be a den, which here at the model we saw it in the den format, or you can have it as bedroom number 3. Entrada del Oro out here, what you're really looking for when you get out in this Gold Canyon area is serenity, peacefulness. You're gonna find that out here. It's a quiet area. You don't have the hustle and bustle that you find in town. You do have beautiful mountain views, which you're gonna see, which with some of my drone footage that's gonna show you what's going on with the mountains. Beautiful. The stars at night to die for. You're not gonna find that in town, as there's just too much going on with lights in town, and it's nice and dark out here. Also, right around the corner, there's a place to take your off-road vehicles, which is pretty popular, and a lot of people here in the area love to go out there off-roading. Anyways, if you have any questions or you want to see a copy of the floor plan, you want to know about the massive incentives that the builder is currently offering, comment down below, reach out to me. You can text me 480-588-2281. Happy to send you that information. I'd put it on here, but it changes every week depending on what the market's doing, what rates are doing. And with rates being so high right now, these massive incentives are helping buyers get affordable monthly payments. That's what it's all about. That's why I'm here, to take you through the valley, help you find the floor plan you're looking for, and help you find the best deal. That's what I do. Reach out to me. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a good day.